When your inner dialogue is harsh and critical, everything feels heavier, choices feel harder, progress feels invisible, and setbacks feel like this is never going to happen. The kind of self talk that creates doubt, doubt keeps us stuck. When your self talk is supportive, something shifts. Encouraging words don't mean you're ignoring reality. That means you're facing it with steadiness instead of shame. Positive self talk builds confidence, it lowers stress, and it strengthens your belief that you can do it. So the truth is, you cannot bully yourself into transformation, but you can encourage yourself into consistency. And consistency, not perfection, is what creates real, lasting change. So start speaking to yourself the way you would someone you love, with patience and kindness and honesty, with encouragement. And when you change the way you talk to yourself, your choices begin to shift, and so doesn't your life.